Compatibility. Bose Quiet Comfort 20, Sennheiser i300, i40 Pro, i400 Pro, Soundmagic E10, and more, provide comfortable and secure in-ear fit, doesn't interfere with charging, and offer a superior sound experience. Ultra Comfy. Custom fit for all-day comfort. Work all day, play all night with body heat activated, super soft memory foam that adapts and molds to your ear for a completely customized fit and hours of comfortable listening. Stays in place. Secure fit and no more lost earbuds. Engineered to be the perfect length and shape for optimal in-ear fit, these tips stay securely in your ear, whether you're pounding the pavement or grooving to the music. Big vibrant sound. Superior sound. Block exterior noise and enhance your bass, creating an exceptional audio experience whether you're concentrating on a call or cranking the tunes. Top reviews from the United States. I've been buying these for 5+ years now. I've bought these for the past 5+ years now for my earbuds. I've changed brands of earbuds over the years and always kept buying these. Well, my last package I bought, one of them actually fell apart. It basically broke in half. I left it on because it wasn't interfering with sound quality. I've never had any problems with them before. I didn't change because depending on your earbuds they can be very hard to take off and put back on. I found a nice trick is to moisten your earbuds to give it some lube to slip it on. I always make sure to buy the right comply for my earbuds and would rather have them hard to put on because that means they won't come off unless I take them off to replace them.